Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to add watermark on CapCut. Alright, let's get started guys. Here I have imported my video to CapCut and we are going to practice how we can add watermark to this video. So the first thing we can do is clicking on this text option right here, then click on add text, then you can type the watermark that you want to use. And for example, I'm going to type watermark like this, and after that we just need to select the font that we like. And for example, I'm going to select this one, so just click on the font that you want to use. Then we're going to click on style to make the watermark transparent. We can click on style option right here, then we can go down until we find opacity, and this is the opacity, and I'm going to reduce the opacity until maybe 40%. Oh no, I'm going to increase it, so I'm going to make it 50%. Okay, after we're done selecting the opacity, we just need to click on the check mark button. Then we can adjust the position of the watermark. I'm going to place the watermark right here. Then we can zoom in or zoom out like this, and we can make this watermark align with the video. Just drag the watermark like this. Okay, and now it's done, and let's just check the result. So I'm going to play the video. Alright guys, and that's how we can make watermark in CapCut. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.